be drawing a new drawing, and we will learn how you can make a simple Christmas tree using your Tux Paint. For this, let me do a new. This is for I have my Tux Paint open. So I'm just doing a new, and let me choose one canvas. So I'll take this red one. So this is my red canvas is ready here. So what I have to do, I have to make use of my brush, right? So I'll take my paint brush. I will take a brush of this thickness, okay? Then I will choose green color and I will start doing my tree. So what I am doing, I am just drawing my tree. So I'll just color this patch perfectly and then in the shape of a triangle, and I'm just making my tree. Just watch out how I'm using my hand. So we can adjust a bit. Yes, fine. After this, I'll use this brown color. This thickness is again okay. We can just go for it and just draw a line over here like this. So let's see, we have got something to decorate it. I think we have got stars. So let me choose my star. Yes, I've got a star over here. Let me take yellow color and I'll just place my stars over here. Wow. Now my Christmas tree is looking beautiful. So let me see if I can do some other decoration. Can I use some pattern out here? Let me take this sticker and place it over here somewhere like this. This is a very simple greetings card we are learning. If we want some flower pattern, we can select this flower pattern, right? And let's choose one color for this purple and just click it. Yes, and then we need just to write here. So we'll use the text tool and I'll write it over here somewhere. Write Merry Christmas, right? We can just decrease the size a bit. So I am using this down arrow for this purpose, and then I will just press enter for this writing to come over here. Yes. So Merry Christmas to all of you. I hope you enjoyed doing a simple Christmas tree. Thank you. Have a nice day.